How to add photo and video together on Instagram story. It's quite easy and simple to add together the photos and videos on your Instagram story. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Then tap your story button at top left corner of the screen. Then select any video, first of all from this gallery, or you can choose camera and then take a video from there. Once you choose the particular video, tap stickers icon at top of the screen. Scroll up it down, choose photo. Scroll and select the photo that you want to add together on your video. Once you have added, you can tap and resize it as well and change the shape of this photo. You can place it anywhere that you wish to. Also, you can add text, stickers, filters, and music on this video and photo of Instagram story. Then once you have done that, tap your story at bottom left corner of the screen. If you wish to share your Instagram stories to Facebook automatically, tap share stories, otherwise tap not now. And that's how we easily add photo and video together on Instagram story. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.